Welcome to a journey of transformation where we guide lake hosts on elevating their rental spaces through inspired interior design. It's not just about providing a place to stay, it's about creating unforgettable experiences for every guest. Begin by identifying who your guests are. Are they families, friends, or perhaps couples seeking a romantic getaway? Tailoring your design to meet their needs sets the stage for a memorable stay. Draw inspiration from your property's location and aim for a theme that suits. Whether it's a rustic mountain feeling or a coastal retreat, let your location's character shine through in your decor. Create a Pinterest board, gathering images, textures, and colors that spark joy and inspiration. This collage will be your guide to creating a space that's not only beautiful, but tells a story. When considering paint choices, white is a classic selection. When renovating our cottage, we worked with a professional designer and decided to update much of the vintage wood-stained walls with several coats of white paint and black trim to accent window frames. We were also able to highlight the craftsmanship of our cottage by working with professionals who understood the materials our vacation home was built from, its architecture, and unique characteristics. Working with a designer who's familiar with vacation rentals in your area and the unique style of your region is key. His or her expertise is sure to add tremendous value to your vacation home and what you can command for stays. If you would appreciate help in this area, reach out to designers whose work inspires you and see if they might provide a consultation and proposal to address your vacation home dreams. Consider creating themed rentals or unique spaces that stand out. Themed designs can make your property the go-to choice for guests seeking something beyond the ordinary. Opt for durable, high-quality furniture that withstands the test of time. Mix statement pieces with eclectic finds from local stores to add character and charm. And if you're more on the adventurous side, introduce bold accents throughout, including paint, wallpaper, or art. You could even go bold with your front door or an accent wall to make a lasting impression right from the start. Embrace every nook of your rental. Transform small spaces into special places, inviting guests to unwind and feel at home. Add design elements or even a motif throughout your rental to tie everything together. Good lighting is crucial. Incorporate multiple light sources to set the mood and enhance the safety and comfort of your guests. Bring the outdoors in, with flowers and plants adding vibrancy and a breath of fresh air to your space. Lastly, consider the outdoors an extension of your hospitality. Create inviting gardens and comfortable seating areas for your guests to enjoy. By following these steps and adding your unique touch, you can transform your lake rental into a sought-after destination. Elevate your space, tell your story, and watch as guests flock to your door, eager to experience the ambiance you've created.